Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and impressive, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Now, if you're imagining a massive truck with the heart of a luxury home, you're on the right track. The T2000 has always been known as a long-haul beast, but in this motorhome version, Kenworth has taken that heavy-duty DNA and fused it with comfort, space, and high-end features that cater to full-time travelers and road warriors alike. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 T2000 Motorhome keeps that iconic Kenworth front-end design, bold grille, aerodynamic lines, and powerful LED headlights. But the real difference is in the custom-built coach body that sits behind the cab. It's a blend of truck toughness and RV elegance. The high-gloss fiberglass panels give it a sleek, polished look, while integrated slide-outs on both sides dramatically expand the interior space when parked. There's also a full-length awning, outdoor entertainment system, and ample underbody storage with lockable compartments, ideal for those long trips where gear and supplies are essential. Moving inside, this motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than anything you'd expect behind a semi-truck cab. The cabin is built for both comfort and function. You're greeted by a spacious living area complete with leather recliners, a convertible sofa bed, and a large 4K smart TV mounted across from an electric fireplace. The use of high-end materials like hardwood flooring, LED accent lighting, and soft-touch wall panels adds a sense of refinement. Kenworth has done a great job making the space feel open, thanks to the slide-outs and high ceiling. The kitchen is fully loaded. You get a residential-size refrigerator with a bottom freezer, a convection microwave, an induction cooktop, and solid-surface countertops. There's even a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-down faucet. For those who love cooking on the road, this setup doesn't disappoint. The cabinetry is made from real wood and offers tons of storage, not just for food, but for utensils, pots, and pans as well. The bathroom is equally impressive. It's a full bath with a glass-enclosed shower, porcelain toilet, and a vanity sink with LED lighting. It doesn't feel cramped like in most RVs. You can easily move around without bumping into things. Plus, the built-in washer and dryer combo adds convenience, especially for long journeys. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This is one area where Kenworth really went all in. You get a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, overhead storage, nightstands with USB charging ports, and a second smart TV. There's also a wardrobe closet with mirror doors and additional storage drawers. The insulation and noise-canceling design of the cabin make this one of the quietest motorhomes on the market, even when parked near traffic or rest stops. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is powered by a Cummins X15 diesel engine, delivering up to 565 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough power to haul the entire motorhome and tow extra gear like boats or trailers. The engine is paired with an Eaton UltraShift Plus automated manual transmission, making highway driving smooth and fuel-efficient. Despite its size, the T2000 Motorhome handles surprisingly well, thanks to upgraded suspension, air-ride seats, and a tight steering radius for easier maneuvering in RV parks or truck stops. Fuel efficiency is always a concern with large rigs like this, and while it's not going to match a compact camper van, the 2026 model boasts a slight improvement in mileage thanks to aerodynamic upgrades and smart cruise control systems. You can expect around 7 to 8 mpg depending on your load and driving habits. Pretty decent for a motorhome of this size and power. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The T2000 Motorhome is equipped with a full suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation system, and a 360-degree camera view. These systems are especially helpful for new RV drivers adjusting to the vehicle's massive footprint. Another standout feature is the onboard technology. The main control panel is touchscreen operated and connects to your smartphone via an app. You can monitor tank levels, control lighting, slide-outs, HVAC systems, and even your generator remotely. Wi-Fi booster antennas and optional satellite internet keep you connected even in remote locations. So who is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome for? It's perfect for people who want the rugged reliability of a Class 8 truck with all the comfort and luxury of a high-end Class A motorhome. Whether you're a retired couple looking to explore the country full-time, a content creator living the van life on steroids, or even someone converting to mobile living for work, this rig offers unmatched versatility and comfort. To wrap it up, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is more than